Isn't it very exhausting taking notes while you are in a WebEx call here? So now it has been recorded around 4.45 minutes. So if you'll see that name, it has been given Smart Pantry Jar Production Brainstorm. Okay, but yeah, you can refine that. So now let's come up with this part. Smart Pantry Jar Product Brainstorm. Hi team, thank you for attending the meetings. Today below is the summary. It is giving a summary. Then hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, the AI Cross. I was just thinking one thing, is not it very exhausting taking notes while you are in a WebEx call or in a Zoom call or in a conference call? Is not it you need someone to just remember everything and to give you a notes like what you have to do, what all action items you have to take, whether you have to schedule your next call, everything. So now you don't have to do anything. So today we will see the ChatGPT record functionality, which has been released quite some time back by ChatGPT, which can help you to remember everything during your calls or whatever you want to say. Then it will generate, it will summarize, it will give you the action items, and it will give you a lot of details. So that we will see in a live demo. This is the ChatGPT screen. Now if you will see, this is the button. If you'll see, if you'll go, this is a record kind of button, and once you will click this, it will start recording. And after you can continue with your meeting, it will start listening. So if you'll see, once I'm speaking, it is giving this wave kind of symbol that it's able to listen to us and it's recording those things. So once done, you can click on the stop button, then you can press on the send, then it will do the next thing. Okay, so what I can do for next 3 or 4 minutes, I can talk on any of the subjects, like I am attending a meeting or something. I will give some cues like this person has to do all of those things, and finally I will see how the ChatGPT is like giving us the details after I will record and share with that. Okay. Hi everyone, thanks for joining this meeting. So today we'll discuss about our recent product which we are brainstorming and basically thinking is having very less amount. Then finally what it can do, it can generate a shopping list for you. Like let's say your dal is going down but rice is there, atta is not there, vegetable design the mockup, we'll create the pitch deck because you have to go for investor pitch also. Then we'll come up with our fact sheet, we'll come up with our like how we can build this, where we'll set up our. Let's go ahead here. So now it has been recorded around 4.45 minutes. So let me send this. Now it has been sent. Okay. Now we'll see. Okay. So if you'll see that name, it has been given Smart Pantry Jar Production Brainstorm. Okay. So date time, it is mentioning the exact date time when we had this call. It's July 21st, 4:22 p.m. CDT. Overall summary: Joyant presented a concept for a smart pantry jar that monitors pantry items, alerts user. This. Key point: the smart jar monitors quantity of pantry. It uses AI everything. Action item: This I was speaking. Okay. Rajesh to schedule a meeting on August 2nd. Suresh to schedule a meeting on August 5 around 3 p.m. CST and check availability. Include Vivek, the UX designer, to create the product. Open question: specific features and technical requirement for the smart jar. Okay. Now, what we can do? Can you create a summary in 2 lines regarding this call? Okay. Let's see. Okay, now if you want a more simpler one, okay, Joyant introduced a smart pantry jar concept, this. Now we'll ask, can you generate a infograph kind of image to represent this meeting? Okay. So I want kind of an image which I can put, okay, we have discussed this point, and so that it will be in my system. Whenever I can have a look, I can look onto that. Now next thing what we can put on this, please draft a professional email to send to Suresh, who was part of this meeting, and also draft another MOM or meeting of minutes situation, MOM email for the entire call. So once I will get this image, I'll put this so that we'll see if it can take all the notes it has been generated, and from there it can able to draft a professional email so that we can copy and send. Isn't it very helpful? Like, I don't know if you guys are facing those issues. I used to face a lot of time these issues, so it will surely help. Okay, so now it is creating the smart pantry jar product ideas. So it is creating a kind of graphical images, so that it will basically it will entirely say what the meeting was about. Okay, so I think the use cases of this, if we'll talk, until this image will be generated, this is huge. Like, think like you are going for a walk with one of your friend and you have some business ideas, and you have start discussing. Just turn on this, and 5, 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, when you finish this, just send this, and it will have everything. Now from there you can take it further, like do more analysis, use that to send an email and everything. Now it's come up. If you'll see, the image has been generated. Okay, smart pantry jar product idea, investor pitch preparation, generate shopping list, kind of it is putting everything, but yeah, you can refine that. So now let's come up with this part. Please draft a professional email to send to Suresh, who was part of this meeting, and also draft another MOM. Okay, so now it's trying to draft email to Suresh. Follow up and next steps. Hi Suresh, thank you for joining today's brainstorming session on the smart pantry jar concept. Your input was valuable and I appreciate your active participation. As discussed, could you please schedule a follow-up call on August 5th around 3 p.m. CST? Kindly check everyone's availability and confirm the invite. We will focus on reviewing product mockups and final key design ideas with Vivek. Let me know if you need any details, coordinate. Now MOM. Okay. Smart pantry jar product brainstorm. Hi team, thank you for attending the meetings. Today below is the summary. It is giving a summary, then key features, highlights, next steps and items, everything. So it's asking me, would you like this MOM saved as a PDF formatted or a Google Doc? So I think this will be very much helpful. I think you guys can, if you have the subscription or you guys are using, you should use this, and let me know if you have already used this and how it is helping to you. And yeah, we'll come up with few more like small this kind of features which a lot of AI tools are releasing and which can be helpful to you guys. So please then stay tuned. Please do watch, share, subscribe and like to our videos, and give your honest feedback and review also. Thank you. Bye bye.